Hello everyone, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change margins in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. In order to change the margin, let's go to the file option right here and let's go to the settings. You can see the option of show margins. Simply tap in that. So this is what the margins looks like. Simply, and that is how you put in the margin. So let's say you want to change it, right? Simply go to the file, go to settings, go to show rulers and guides. So this is where you can change the margin. Simply hover over this over here, and there you can see a new margin over here. This was our previous line. You can simply move it a bit forward. Likewise, drag it all the way down and forward with the upper, or drag it from the upper part and there. Since we do not have any margins down, simply you have to do this, drag the same from the upper part and move it over here, and there you go. Now yeah, this is basically how you change the margins. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.